Hey Bestie, welcome back. This is Lisa. Today we are going to be crafting with the Dollar Tree pot holders to make some amazing DIY decor hacks. I have two of the Dollar Tree pot holders and I picked two different ones on purpose. I'm just going to remove the tags. I have been wanting to do this forever. I don't know what took me so long. Anyway, I think Christmas is as good a time as any to do this. So I'm going to glue them together kind of at an angle. I'm also going to glue back the little holders that you hang them up with because we're not going to use those for this particular project. So I'm just adding the hot glue. You could also use Beacon Fabric Tack glue, whatever you want. This hot glue does hold really well. I'm also going to put some on the back just to make sure it lays flat. And that other little handle, I'm going to tack that down as well. Now I've got this gorgeous pick. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I think I got this one at Walmart. I'm not sure. Anyway, you can find these any of the craft stores. And it's got bulbs in it, and it's got pine cones and greenery and poinsettias. But I'm going to snip it apart and just put the pieces in one by one so I can place them exactly the way I want to. And I love those baubles that they have there. They're just so pretty, and it's going to add such a nice little pop of shiny color to this. Again, use anything you have. You could choose things that are already in your stash, or you could go find something very specific like this, whatever works for you. I'm just going to tack down the back and make sure that it's holding them in there really, really well. It's a little dot of hot glue here and there, and it just kind of seals it up, which is great for this project because you don't need them to be, kind of opening in the back. I found some more berries with some interesting leaves, and I just thought I'm just going to keep adding things until it looks the way I want, which is just very individual. So this is just for inspiration. Do it however you want. Wherever I have a little broken bead where you see the styrofoam, I usually just take a red marker and color it. I'm going to use my bow maker, and I'm only going to use it just to wrap around. This is just going to be a very simple bow. So I'm going to start with this kind of red mesh ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to use this gold sequiny ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This is in their Christmas areas, and they were just special ribbons for Christmas time. So I picked some up recently. And then I'm going to add the green kind of mesh ribbon also. I just wanted to have all three of those colors on here. I thought that would look really nice. And all I'm doing is wrapping it around like 3 or 4 times for each one of these different ribbons. This is just a really easy way to do this. Once I have them all on there, I'm going to take a pipe cleaner, put it right in the middle, twist it real tight. And then once I take it off of the little bow maker thing, then you can start fluffing out the little pieces of the bow and arrange them so whichever colors you want show the most. You can really make this look kind of any way you want depending on how you pull the different ribbons out. And there it is. And now what I'm just going to do is take that pipe cleaner that was already on there. I'm going to poke it through and then twist it around the back. I've got it attached to some of those stems. And now it's just there nice and secure. And I'll just hot glue it together, and I'll make a hanger out of it too. So now I've got that piece that works as our new hanger. I'm going to add a smaller pine cone right to the center of the bow, and that was it. I love this one. It's so fun and festive, and it was really easy. Let me know what you think. I found this gorgeous blue pot holder, and I thought this would be so great for either Hanukkah or winter. And then I've got this star ornament and some other little thin stars. I've got bells, I've got some snowman ornaments, and these are all from Dollar Tree. Every single thing here is. I'm going to snip off the little hanger with my nips because we're not going to be hanging that little snowflake. But what we are going to do is we are going to glue it right on to this pot holder. And now I'm just playing around with the other snowflakes to see how I'm going to place them. I'm going to use a generous amount of hot glue. Again, you can use any kind of glue you want. This worked really well. And I'm also going to put hot glue in the center of those other kind of translucent snowflakes. I think they're so pretty. Now I'm going to add even more hot glue just to make sure that that heavier snowflake is very secure. Now I'm going to take one of these little snowmen, I'm going to put a pipe cleaner through it, and there is an area on the back of the snowflake where you could loop through. And so I'm going to do that with this pipe cleaner. I'm going to tie it on, trim off the excess, and then I'll have the little snowman kind of positioned where he's hanging from the snowflake. And I'm going to add some glue to the back of him just to make him nice and secure and have him lay the way I want. Now I'm going to take these bells, I'm just going to place them in a couple different spots. They're so big and pretty. I love those bells. They're just awesome. Anyway, I'm going to add some more, fun wintry pics that have like little sparklies, like fake snow on them. I'm just going to add them to this as well, just to give it a little bit more interest and color. But I think it's just still so wintry, or Hanukkah with the blue and white. So I think this would be just beautiful. And you could use this all the way through the winter. You don't have to take it down after the holidays. And I love that about this one. It makes it extremely versatile. I'm going to continue to embellish just until it looks the way I want. You could do whatever you want, honestly. It's your craft when you're making it. This is just what I liked, and I added some greenery around that snowflake. I thought it just needed something up at the top there. And I'm just going to, trim off any little pieces and add some more wherever I think it just kind of is lacking something. If you're enjoying this video, first of all, I hope that you'll hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And I hope that you are already subscribed. And if you're not, consider doing so, because I would love to have you here and be part of this amazing group of besties. Let me know what you think of this one. I think it's awesome. And I love how quick and easy it was, and how fun and festive and just so cute the way it turned out. I've got these two pot holders, the square ones from the Dollar Tree, and then I've got this little beaded handle that was on something else that I saved. I'm going to get rid of all the tags. And this is so cute because it has to do with furry friends, and I am a big fan of furry friends. So I'm going to take the little part that you hang on the pot holder, I'm just going to glue it down to the back side. Then I'm going to take on one of them and glue down the hanger that we had there. I'm going to make sure it's nice and secure. And believe me, the hot glue does really well with this. And I love this thing. We're going to make a little pillow like door hanger. So we're going to glue most of the sides together. Especially we'll start with the top to make sure that it lines up and covers up that little hanger. I've got some stuffing there that, like pillow stuffing that you can use. And we're going to use that to just go ahead and fill it in. Now that I have 3 of the sides done, we're going to stuff it and make just a little mini pillow out of it, which I think is so cute. I love these little kind of decorative things you can hang from a door. Let's say you have like a closet door or just a door that doesn't get used all the time. It just kind of adds a little color and fun to it. So we're just going to add as much stuffing as we think we need, and then we'll just seal up the rest of this. It already has a seam from the edge of the pot holder that makes it so easy to make it look finished. And isn't this so cute, especially if you love animals? I'm going to take a little bit of greenery here, and we're just going to add a little bit towards the top just to give it a little bit of interest. I love to do that. And it's just going to be so fun just to have that right there, and it'd be right where you hang it on the door. So it'll be really cute. And I'll do it almost like a swag type piece, but I did trim off some of the greenery so it didn't hang over the words. I wanted to make sure you could read it. And then, of course, because I love pine cones, I'm going to take a pine cone and put it right in the center of this. I thought that just, love that look with the pine cones. I think they're so cute. I'm going to add some glittery pics here and there at the top just to kind of add a little bit more of a festive feel, just some little pieces, nothing too big. The ones I chose right here are gold. Dollar Tree also has red and silver. If you're looking for these kind of picks, you can usually find them this time of the year. And it's a good time to stock up because you can use them for 4th of July too, and that's really fun. I think this turned out so cute. It was incredibly easy. This would be such a fun thing to make. It would be a great housewarming gift too if you wanted to bring it if you're going to someone's house for the holidays, especially if they have pets. Let me know what you think. I found these cute little pot holders at the Dollar Tree. We're going to do two, but here's the first one. It's red, and I've got this snowman ornament that is adorable. I'm going to take off the tags. We're going to turn this pot holder into a puppet. Because of the way you put your hands in it, it just feels like a puppet already. So for this one, just to show you how easy this could be, we're going to literally just glue the little snowman ornament right on, and that becomes the face of this puppet. And his mouth is right there. And look at that. I mean, could that be any easier? That was that. You could do this with your kids or grandkids. They would love it. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I cannot believe how easy it was. Now we're going to take this blue one. We're going to cut off the tag, and we're going to take these googly eyes. And you can get these, I think sometimes Dollar Tree has them, and they definitely have them at the craft stores. And I'm going to put two larger googly eyes right on it. And we're going to turn him into a reindeer. We're going to take this poinsettia pick, and I'm going to cut off some leaves, or excuse me, petals. And I'm just going to kind of round this one out, because the first one we're going to do, we're going to take that one, make a little tongue. Then we're going to take some more, and we're going to start putting them on the top. We're going to go across the top with the petals first, you know, kind of like ears almost, but we'll put some in the center too, just to give him more of a full, I guess, top of his head. Then I'm going to take the leaves. I'm going to put them up a little higher, and they will kind of be like the antlers in this case. So it's just a kind of fun makeshift little reindeer. I'm going to add some berries to the very bottom of the leaves just for decor purposes, because I think that just made him super festive and cute. I'm going to cut another red petal, cut it into a circle, and make a nose. So this is like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer as a puppet. And how fun is that? Oh my gosh. It's just so stinking cute. I love it. Anyway, we're going to add a little bit more of the leaves. Like I just cut them in half and make it a little taller. That way it definitely has kind of that, you know, antler feel, if you will. Add a little like branch off of it. You can see what I'm doing here. Anyway, I'm just doing, like I said, kind of makeshift. And there he is. There's our little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer puppet. How cute is this? I love it. Anyway, talk about easy, fun for the grandkids and kiddos. And it would be cute just to have them out during the Christmas season. Let me know what you think. Ready for more inspiration? Here's another video I think you'll really like. If you click on it, I will see you there. You are truly a blessing to me. Bye!